Hey everyone, you know what time it is? It's time to look into the developer space within the NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today, we're going to be talking about details on the SF Blockchain Week happening here in San Francisco, a look into what makes NEAR different, featuring an interview with Ilya. We're going to be talking about the roadmap to Phase 2 of Sharding. Finally, we're going to be talking about the video I just released featuring how to turn on and off your hue lights with the Pagoda Console. With that, let's get started. NEAR is proud to be one of the sponsors of ETH Global's biggest IRL events happening here in San Francisco from November 4th to November 6th, called ETH San Francisco. It's one of their biggest hackathons that features over $300,000 worth of prizes and also give you the opportunity to meet a whole bunch of inspiring and passionate Web 3.0 developers all congregating to the same place. I'm here in San Francisco, so I'll be there, and I hope to see you guys there too. And yeah, be sure to say hi. Applications for the hackathon close on November 1st, so you still have time to apply. Check out the link in the description below to apply, and again, I hope to see you guys there. Have you ever wondered what sets NEAR apart from the other layer 1s in the Web 3.0 space? Well, Scott Melker, who's the host of the WOAS podcast, just conducted an interview with Ilya on just that. So check out the interview and listen to what Ilya has to say about what sets NEAR apart from the other layer 1s, what goes into security of NEAR, how NEAR plans to reach 1 billion users, and what goes into the sharding technology that NEAR is so very proud of. I learned a lot from this interview, and I know you will too. Check out the link in the description below to check out the interview itself. So heads up, you can find a document that the core team of NEAR has just made public on the NEAR Governance Forum that describes the details of the roadmap to Phase 2 of Sharding. If you recall, we just released Phase 1, which featured a new role of chunk-only producers on NEAR earlier this year. Phase 2 features eliminating the need for any validator to track all the shards on the blockchain, lowering the hardware requirements to become a validator on NEAR, and also making the blockchain more decentralized. If you're interested in further details on this roadmap, please check out the link in the description below. So if you're familiar with NEAR Bytes, I'm sure you've heard me mention once or twice about the Pagoda Console on NEAR. I'm really sure you're wondering, what can I use it for? What are some of the creative applications I can use with this tool? Well, I just released a video showing you how to control your hue lights every time an NFT gets minted onto the NEAR platform. It's a cool way to show how you can use Pagoda Console to bring, something within a blockchain space to the real world. So if that sounds like something that interests you, please check out the link in the description below to check out that video. And I would love to see what you guys make with this technology as well. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a great time. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below for what you want to see more of out of the NEAR ecosystem and out of this channel. With that, have a great and wonderful day.